Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Peppa Pig on Dress to Impress. So we're just going to color our body this color. FDABB1. Just going to say that because it is very important. Then for the outfit, I'm just going to use these because I don't have the Easter dress. In this color, A61316. I'm just going to save that as well. Color it all that same red color. Then I'm going to grab this one in red too. And then this in red. In a matte. Like that. Then I'm just going to use these shoes here. Okay, for the head, we're going to grab the fur hat and we're going to color it the same color as our skin. For these adjustments, Y at 0.36, Z is at 0.72, scale it to 0.85. And for the rotations, 0. That's for the head. And then this beanie, same color as the skin as well. We're just going to make some slight adjustments to it. Position it at 0.27. Y at 0.58. Z 0.78. And rotate it at 0.38, 0, and 1. For kind of like the snout, looks weird from the back. Grab the bunny ears from the Easter event. So first and third toggle is the same as the skin color. And then the second toggle, you're going to put this hex code FF8. B8F. I'm just going to also save that for the darker pink color. Position the x-axis at 57. The z at 0.66. And rotate the y at 0.63 and the z at 0.33. Like so. Then we're going to get the fuzzy earmuffs. First color is the skin color, second is this darker pink color that we used on the ears. Position the X at 0.56, the Y 0.5, Z 0.42, scale it to 0.47. And then for the rotation, 0.57. 1 and 0.66. For the blush for the cheeks, grab the cowboy hat and color it this color 6, the 0, C43 for both. Position it at 0.47 for the X, 0.31. Z 0.47, scale it all the way down to 0.25, and we're just going to rotate it to 0.47, 0.82, and 0.46. For the beautiful smile, looks so cursed. We do need VIP for this, so grab the round circle glasses here. And we're going to, let me just move it forward so I can see the color. Okay. For the frames, we're going to color it the skin tone. For the glass, we're going to color it this color 3600623. And then we're just going to color the jewels the same. For the actual position on this, 0.74, Z.56, rotate it, well, scale it down to 0 first. I think these are for the nostrils. Rotate it to 0.57, Y at 0.73, and Z.66. Okay, those are for the nostrils, and then we're going to get this rose headpiece from a VIP, and we're going to color it the like darker pink that we already saved. Position it at 0.35, 0.64, 0.38, scale it to, oops, I pressed something. Scale it to 0.06. And then we're going to rotate it a bit on this one to 0.46. Okay, next we are going to use this flower. This one, if you didn't see me putting it on. And we're going to color it that same dark pink color. For the position, 0.42. Y at 0.60, Z 0.27, scale it all the way to 0, rotate it at 0.69, 1, and 0.25. Okay, we're almost done. Trust. Okay. And then we're going to get the goat horns, these ones. We're going to color it white, 0.46, 0.60, 0.41, scale it to 0.63, rotate it at 0.02 here. Y 0.81, Z 0.65. Okay, now, oh my god, this looks so cursed. Get these round earrings here and color them black. And then for the position, X 0.32, Y 0.77, Z at 0.07, and then for the rotation, 0.25, Y at 0.87, and Z at 0.55. For the scale at 0.09. Okay, my god, that looks cursed. Oh dear. Then that is it for this video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!